Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Speech on Defense Day. Respected principal, teachers, and my school fellows. Assalamu alaikum. I am happy to join you in celebrating the Defense Day, and it's the matter of great pleasure to me that I am addressing to some of the present and future corporate leaders of this country. As all of you know that we are celebrating the 47th Defense Day of Pakistan. Dear fellows, we celebrate this day in the memory of those beloved and brave soldiers who fought bravely and died in the Indo-Pak War of 1965 but made successful defense of Lahore and other important cities of Pakistan. On 6 September 1965, at 5 am, Indian Army attacked Pakistan from Lahore Barki sector. This 5-week war caused thousands of casualties on both sides. It ended in a United Nations mandated ceasefire. Pakistani army officers like Captain Sarwar Shaheed, Major Muhammad Akram Shaheed, Lance Naik Muhammad Mahfouz Shaheed, Major Tufail Shaheed, Major Raja Aziz Bhatti Shaheed sacrificed their lives and were awarded with Nishan-e-Haider for their acts of exceptional bravery. A lot of programs are organized every year on Defense Day. Pakistani military forces arrange different exhibitions and shows of armors and artillery. National songs and documentaries about 6 September and martyred soldiers are displayed on TV. Functions are organized by different schools to honor the brave soldiers of Pakistan. I would like to end up my speech by saying this much that Defense Day gives us the main call of unity. The only thing which can hold the chain of country's defense is unity. Thank you.